Yo, what is up, YouTube? We have another platecrate unboxing. I think platecrate hooked it up again a little bit. So I waited for 2 weeks because something happened with my postal service. So, platecrate right here. Platecrate unboxing. Just got it tonight at 8. At 7 o'clock. So they sent me this nice hat. I have 2 hats now. That is cool. I have 2 hats from them. Got this nice baseball bracelet made out of real leather. It's made out of real leather. And it's with baseball laces. I got another set of glove locks, so I could put that on my baseball gloves to lock them up. I got a seed sack from platecrate. Platecrate monthly box of baseball gear, platecrate.com. An amazing baseball gear every month. A monthly box of baseball gear and greatness. Josh is the manager of this, and a nice love sticker baseball. I might get another one of these. I should not, because it's not like, it's kind of stinks when like you're supposed to get something that day and then it like just gets delivered somewhere else, and that is not supposed to happen at all. So I'm actually wearing the bracelet right now. There's gonna be a inside the batter's box. Oh yeah, so the seeds in here, there are seeds in here. So you like open a pack of seeds. Oh yeah, there's another thing that I got from this. I got this big sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds, barbecue, smoky and sweet. So I'm actually saving this one for my baseball team. Like when we start up for baseball again. I think this is a Navy hat. I think this is a Navy hat and a blue hat. I'm not sure. But I got 2 platecrate hats. I'm really happy about it. I got 2 of them. But, yeah. It's cool that I have 2 hats. I might do a giveaway with this hat or something. I'm not sure. It's a snapback hat. Snack mesh hat. That's cool, right? Right there. There's gonna be an unboxing of some more and what's in here? They're cheese sunflower seeds. Cheese sunflower seeds. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Like always, God bless. I'm really happy that platecrate. This is like my 3rd or 4th crate plate unboxing. I am really pleased about with this platecrate. Thank you guys for another hat. I was actually about to get one of these seed sacks, so I'm really pleased that I can have that one, so I can like open it up in my baseball games when I help out coach managing and stuff like that. You know what? I'm gonna put some more seeds, my David seeds in here. Mix it up a little bit. I like to have a lot of sunflower seeds. So look, that's big, right? And then bam, right there. That's cool. So like, when I'm helping out with baseball and stuff, I could just put this in my back of my butt pocket right here. Take it out. Do that. Then it's good. Thanks again, Platecrate, for this amazing unboxing. And I love this wristband too. I thought it was gonna have a Platecrate logo on there. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Just finished soccer. I scored 1 goal. It was fun. There's gonna be another unboxing tomorrow. It's my first time unboxing a batter's box. Inside the batter's box, it's another subscription box of baseball gear, and there's like 1 trading cards. You could get a trading card, a pack of trading cards and stuff like that, and they give you a shirt that's included with the subscription box too. Thanks guys, have a good day, peace.